Today, we're going back to our roots, if you know what I mean. That's what it takes to go on a mold to gold adventure. You go somewhere where you've never been before. You go through the bushes, you go through the weeds, you go through the danger. You get in there, you get to see the flavor. I'm talking gorgeous waterfalls. I'm talking tasty times with your friend. I'm talking, oh yeah. So go out there and do it for yourself. Do it now.